Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a Lego review of Lego Elves Farran and the Crystal Hollow set 41076 from 2015 to 2018. As you can see, you get the yellow squirrel, and the squirrel has an acorn shooter, and this is the crystal hollow. It can actually open, and then there's a key that you can take out, and you get these beautiful leaves with flowers and crystals or gems in, and you get this mat piece as well, and also there's a bottle so that Farran can drink water from, and this is what the crystal hollow looks from the back. And as you can see at the back here, that's where the squirrel hides her acorns, and the squirrel also has this leaf part with a crystal on. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos. And if toy companies want to contact me, my email address is in the link in the description below. Thank you. Bye.